Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious soya rice. I started first by cutting this red meat into tiny slices. Soya pepper, rosemary and seasoning cube. I'm just going to mix everything together and I'll be pouring it into the red meat. Then I'll stir everything very well together. After stirring them together, I'll cover it with a clean film and I'll allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. These are some bell pepper and tomato. I'm just going to chop it very well and nicely and set aside. In a clean pan, I just added vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And now I'll be putting in the marinated meat. I will allow it to cook on a very low heat. Then I will continue to stir fry it. So this is what we are going for. You can see it's very well fried. So I'll just remove it from the pot now and I'll be adding in the chopped bell pepper and tomatoes. Then I'll stir fry this for some minutes. After stir frying for some time, making sure that the salt taste is removed from the tomato, then I'll be adding back the fried soya. So I'll be completing the seasoning by adding salt and some seasoning cube. Then I'll give it a very good stir. You can see the way it's looking so yummy. After stirring, then I'll add my washed rice. So I continue to stir the rice into the sauce for everything to enter into the rice. These are some grounded pepper that I just added. Then I'll be adding water that will be able to cook the rice. Adding water, I stirred for some time, then I test if I will need to complete the season, but for me it was fine like this, so I just covered it to cook. So I added crayfish took this meal from 0 to 10. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to check on your girl. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in my next upload.